Alright, so this video is going to be pertaining to doing a tricep dip, aka you can do for your chest as well, depending on how you are when you do the dip. What I mean by how you are is your position of your body, whether you're straight like this is more of a tricep, but when you lean forward, it puts more emphasis on your, I think it's at your lower pec right here. So when you lean more forward, you put more emphasis on your lower pec. When you go more straight, you put more emphasis on your tricep. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is leaning a little bit forward. You don't want to go excessively too forward, because if you go excessively too forward, you have the chance of tipping over and possibly even injuring yourself. Okay, I am doing it with the walker. This is what I like to do my my dips with. Okay, this is just what I like. You can do it with maybe 2 small chairs. There's different ways of doing dips, but this is just how I've been doing it for a very long time, and I just feel comfortable doing it this way. So, you want to get a good comfortable grip. Make sure what you're using is nice and steady, and you're going to be lifting yourself up. Hold on, let me put myself in a better camera angle so you can see me better. Put yourself up, carry yourself, go down, then up, down, then up, down, up. Okay, so that was a tricep dip. This exercise, I don't really think it's a beginner exercise, but if you are light, aren't really that heavy, you probably can perform this exercise even if you are a beginner. Maybe. Best beginner exercises that I think a beginner should do: push-ups, pull-ups, and if you can, do this. If not, hang up from the pull-up bar and just like slightly let your body go all the way down. Slow. You're gonna get stronger regardless of the fact that if you're not pulling yourself up and going down. Your muscles are gonna still be under tension, time under tension, so you're gonna get stronger. Okay, so that, like I said, this was a tricep dip. I'll do another set. Let me just catch my breath a little bit right now. As you can see, my body, it's okay right now. Like I said, I'm barely starting to work out. You can't really see much anymore. I used to have pretty decent arms. My back was bigger. I had a bigger chest. On my stomach. It's a dad bod, you know. I lost weight though. I've lost almost 10 pounds. I'm 165 right now. My goal right now is trying to get to 160, maybe 157. I don't know, it's a little bit light, but at least 160. Okay, let's get on with the next set. So I'm gonna try to do 5 sets of this. Not while you guys are seeing me while I'm recording. I'm just gonna give you another demo exercise. Okay, let's do it again. So, lift yourself up, down, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that was 8. Remember, I'm kind of doing it a little bit on the faster side because, again, I'm barely starting to work out, so my muscles aren't really that used to it. Okay, so that was 2 sets right there demonstrated. Tricep dip, really good exercise. It focuses a lot on your triceps. Remember, if you lean forward, it tackles your lower pec as well. It's one of my favorite exercises. It's up there. It's this one, the pull-up, and probably the bench press. Those are some of my favorite exercises. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the exercise. How to do it, what to do it on, how many reps, how many sets, things of that nature. Okay, thanks for watching.